Good morning, students. As you all know, we have started the second unit. Today, our topic is Java inheritance. What do you mean by inheritance? Basically, in Java, inheritance is a mechanism. It allows us to inherit the features the class to the another class. In this inheritance, a new class based on the existing ones will be done. A class that inherits from the another class can reuse the methods and the fields of a class. In addition to, you can add new fields to the methods to your current class as well. Technologies used in this inheritance. Basically, class, we use the class, this common thing. Next thing, a superclass or a parent class. The third thing is subclass. We can call it as also child class. The fourth is the terminology called reusability. What is this reusability? We can reuse the methods, parent method, parent class for multiple times. That is nothing but a reusability. What is a class? Class is a set of objects that shares the common characteristics of behavior which have a common properties and attributes. What is a superclass? A superclass whose features is known inherited by the another class is called a superclass. Subclass which gets inherited. This is the class where the methods and the variables from the parent class or a super inherited. Reusability. We can reuse the components that touches the various classes multiple times by extending the keyword. What is the syntax for the inheritance in Java? We use a keyword called extends the mechanism, the inheritance mechanism. The syntax is class. You know the class syntax. We have to write the class syntax with the class and the class name. Here the class is derived class, which extends to the base class. Here base class is the parent class. Derived class is the child class. Derived class inherits some methods, features, qualities, attributes from the base class. This is the syntax for this inheritance. Let's come into the example. Let's say we have three different classes. In the first class called employee class, and then we have declared a salary of an employee as a variable, integer variable 60,000, and we have declared another class which is extends to employee is a parent class, engineer is a child class, or we can call as employee is a superclass, engineer is a subclass. Subclass is extends to the superclass. Inside this engineer class, we have written int benefits is equal to 10,000, and then again we written another class inside the worker. We have started our main program. Here we have created an object for the engineer class. By using this engineer class, we can access the salary of the employee also, because it is inheriting the properties from the base class called employee class. See, I am printing out a salary plus e1.salary. This is a comment, e1.salary. This is also a comment, e1.benefits. Object.salary. What is object.salary? Object e1. This salary is 60,000, and e1.benefits is 10,000. If we add, it will come 70,000.